Hello friends, I'm Payal here and welcome to our channel Banking Life Payal. Guys, today I have come up with a very important news for the candidates who want to apply for the SEBI Grade A examination, and the SEBI Grade A examination has been postponed again. Let's talk in detail now and get to know that what are the new date till which you can fill your application form and what are the date on which exam will held. Alright, so let's start the video. Guys, this is the new notice, third time that has been given by SEBI. As you can see here, the last application date for payment of fee was 31st of May, till which you could fill your application form for SEBI grade A examination. But now it has been postponed to 31st of July. I will be talking in detail the impact of rescheduling the date to 31st of July on the examination date. Alright. So before that, let me show you the previous notices by SEBI. In the second notice, SEBI told that the last application date to fill the form was 30th of April. It has been scheduled to the 30th of April. But after that, due to the lockdown situation, due to COVID-19, it was rescheduled to 31st of May. Alright, and let's go to the notice showing the exam dates that were rescheduled. So in the original notification, SEBI told us that the last date for the payment of fee was 23rd of March, which was then rescheduled to 30th of April and then again rescheduled to 31st of May. Now it has been rescheduled to 31st of July. Okay, in the new notice given today. So let's talk about the exams now. In the original notification, the exam was to be held, the first phase, that is the pre-examination of SEBI Grade A. It was scheduled to be held on 12th of April and the mains examination was scheduled to be held on 3rd of May. But then it was rescheduled to 4th of July for the pre-examination and 23rd of August for the mains examination. But now, as you can see, the application date for payment of fee has been postponed till 31st of July. So it is clear that the phase 1 examination will not held on 4th of July. Also, it won't be possible to conduct the phase 2 examination of 23rd of August because the payment fees application date has been postponed till 31st of July and the phase 1 examination will be postponed. So the phase 2 examination will also be postponed. New dates for the examination has not been announced by SEBI because as you can see, the situation in the whole world is not good due to COVID-19. So we can't be sure when the lockdown will end and when the situation get normal. We can conclude one more thing from this notice, that if the SEBI organization has postponed its examination, then it can be possible that the clerk mains examination for SBI mains and other examination will also get postponed. Okay, so that was all for today and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching my channel and press the bell icon for the notification after subscribing to my channel. So have a nice day.